Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a household essential that promises durability and convenience. Dixie medium paper plates. These aren't just any paper plates. Dixie has crafted them to be 2x stronger than your average store brand plate, making them a go-to choice for everyday meals. Let's break down what makes these plates stand out. Firstly, they're microwave safe, so reheating your favorite dishes is a breeze. And thanks to their soak-proof shield, you won't have to worry about leaks, whether you're serving up salad or something heartier. Whether it's a quick breakfast, a packed lunch, or a family dinner, Dixie medium paper plates, at 8.5 inches, strike the perfect balance of size and strength. They handle everything from scrambled eggs to spaghetti without buckling under pressure. From a practical standpoint, these plates have garnered glowing reviews for their ease of use and impressive durability. They're designed to withstand whatever your mealtime throws their way, so you can focus on enjoying your food. And there you have it. Dixie medium paper plates, the best in the market for their strength, reliability, and ease of use. If you're looking to upgrade your dining experience with a touch of convenience, these plates are a must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique.